In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not receiving texts from Android. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly, go over and swipe down on the top right of your screen. This is going to show your control panel. Now you might be receiving messages, but you might just not be like seeing the notifications. So if you're on any do not disturb mode, go ahead and make sure you turn that off. Next, if you're on airplane mode, make sure you go off airplane mode, because when you are in airplane mode, you're not going to be able to receive any text messages, calls, anything like that. And all you want to go ahead and do is then go over to your settings application, scroll down and go to mobile service. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to see SIMs as one of the options. So go ahead and click on your phone number, and then you're going to see turn on this line. You want to make sure the line is turned on, and then you're going to be able to, receive messages, anything like that. What you can also do is go back again, then go over to search on the bottom and then type in messages. And then once you do, you're going to see that messages application as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that, and then make sure iMessage is on. And what you want to go for Android is literally just make sure that where it says turn on this line, make sure that's on. And where you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to see screened unknown senders. It says hide notifications and move messages to the unknown senders list. Make sure that's disabled, and filter spam, because any Android messages or any message in general might go to your spam. Go ahead and turn that off as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.